Hello again, it's Anita from the airport in Lusaka, Zambia. I'm going to fly out to Harare today, and I was here since last Friday and we did a lot of work, which was great. So first I did a talk at the UNZA, the University of Zambia, last Saturday, where 50 people came to listen to my Learn Bitcoin talk, and also to the co-hosts, Emmanuel from Youths for Crypto and Jafet from Crypto Tamanga. Thank you very much for organizing everything. And then yesterday we did a workshop at the Bongo Hive co-working space with about 10 participants. And we were talking about security measures, how to self-custody your Bitcoin, what a hardware wallet is. I gave away a cold card to one of the participants, a Bitcoin maximalist in Zambia. And I have to say, it's really very at the beginning adoption here. So I think these people who came to these events are really the first ones who are the pioneers here in Zambia using Bitcoin and being Bitcoin only. So I emphasized always the importance of focusing on Bitcoin and all the possibilities you have, also here from African countries, to use it and to get empowered by it. We made the first Bitcoin transactions. We installed the Blue Wallet. I told them about Bitcoin and the differences to the Lightning Network, how you can earn Bitcoin, how young developers from Africa can participate in Kuala Dev, for instance, the program where they get free stipends to become Bitcoin developers and Lightning developers. And I was talking a lot about scams. I was in several radio interviews and even in one TV interview. Spring TV is the one. And yesterday I was at Simon Meva Lane. He has a Facebook site with about 300,000 followers. And we were speaking about scams and how to detect scams, because a lot of people think they have to join Bitcoin. 2 years ago was a big pyramid scheme built on Bitcoin, so people telling others, bring others in, buy a starter package and join Bitcoin, and those people lost a lot of money because these people were scammers and they didn't sell Bitcoin or something. And as you know, you don't need to join anything. You can just install the Blue Wallet, the Moon Wallet, or any other open source Bitcoin wallet, and can participate in this permissionless open network. So my goal for this trip to Zambia was to find people who are interested in Bitcoin only, who can activate sort of a Bitcoin meetup here on the ground, because I think it's especially important to build trust with people in real life and people that have the experience and can give it to the other peers. And I'm happy to say that Ndesa and me, Ndesa is the guy who brought me here basically, he invited me to come. He was able to get a room where the Bitcoin meetups can be started. And I also support the group to build a Bitcoin Academy. And I hope this takes off so that people really have partners here to talk about it and are not being sold to scams. Last thing I want to say is thank you very much to the Human Rights Foundation, to Leden and to OKCoin, who made this trip possible for me to go to Zambia. And the Bitcoin for Fairness initiative also donated some Bitcoin to Youths of Crypto and Crypto Tamanga Group. And I hope they will also focus a little bit more on Bitcoin only education. So thank you very much, Jafet, Emmanuel and Ndesa. I hope I will see you again. I will definitely see you online in our Zoom calls. And thanks for that. I'm going back to Harare now and will report from there. Bye.